How to get connects on Upwork for free. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So go to your Upwork and log into your account. After that, go to my profile and then as you can see here, I have 0 connects, and in order to buy connects, simply tap on buy connect. And so to buy it for free, what you have to do is enter the promo code if you have any, and yeah, simply apply the code and see how much discount you will be able to get. Actually, there is no free way, or there is no way to get it free, but you can get some discounts if you have a promo code. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.